Network security is crucial in today's digital world where cyber threats are rampant. It involves measures to prevent unauthorized access, misuse, or denial of network resources. Network security encompasses various technologies, devices, and processes. Essentially, it protects the integrity, confidentiality, and accessibility of networks and data. Every organization needs network security solutions to combat evolving cyber threats. The impact of breaches can be devastating, from data loss to financial and reputational damage. Understanding threats and corresponding security measures is key to better defenses. This discussion will highlight the importance of robust network security systems. Malware or malicious software includes viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and spyware. These programs can steal, encrypt, or delete data and hijack core functions. Antivirus and anti-malware programs are primary defenses against malware. These tools detect and eliminate malware by scanning data and monitoring program behavior. Real-world examples like the WannaCry ransomware attack highlight the severity of malware threats. Protecting against malware involves not just installing antivirus software, but keeping it updated. Cybercriminals constantly tweak malware to avoid detection. Updated antivirus software ensures protection against the latest threats. DOS and DDoS attacks overwhelm systems with excessive requests, causing significant downtime. The 2016 Mirai botnet attack is a notable example, taking down major sites like Twitter and Netflix. Network firewalls and intrusion detection systems are primary defenses. Advanced firewalls distinguish between legitimate and malicious traffic. Rate limiting and traffic analysis help mitigate these attacks. Cloud-based DDoS protection services absorb malicious traffic before it reaches the target. Regular stress testing of network infrastructure prepares organizations for potential attacks. Proactive measures ensure business continuity and reliability. Phishing attacks trick individuals into giving away confidential information. These attacks often come as deceptive emails or websites. Email filters and internet security suites are crucial defenses. They identify and block phishing emails before they reach users. Education and training programs teach employees to recognize phishing signs. Real-world incidents, like the Facebook and Google phishing attack, underscore the importance of vigilance. Attackers forged emails and invoices to appear legitimate, siphoning off millions. Even advanced firms are vulnerable to simple social engineering techniques. Insider threats come from people within the organization with access to sensitive information. These threats can be inadvertent data leaks or malicious data theft. Data loss prevention, DLP technologies, monitor and control endpoint activities. Access controls ensure employees only access necessary information. Regular audits and user activity reviews identify and respond to insider threats. Training programs educate employees about security risks and policies. For example, sessions teach the dangers of phishing and the importance of strong passwords. A culture of security strengthens defenses against insider threats. MATM attacks intercept and alter communication between two parties. Encryption technologies like HTTPS and SSL/TLS secure data transfers. VPNs provide secure and encrypted tunnels for data communications. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, detect and prevent MITM attacks. Public Key Infrastructure, PKI, ensures the authenticity of communicating parties. Educating users on securing their connections helps prevent MITM attacks. Users should avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions or use a VPN. They should also look for HTTPS and be wary of unexpected certificate warnings. Zero-day exploits target unknown vulnerabilities before patches are available. Proactive security technologies like heuristic detection systems are crucial defenses. These systems analyze program behavior to detect unusual activity. Regular software updates and patches protect against known vulnerabilities. Virtual patching prevents exploitation of known vulnerabilities. Continuous network monitoring and quick response to threats are essential. Advanced security solutions and comprehensive strategies mitigate zero-day risks. Proactive measures and user education are key to defending against zero-day exploits. Data breaches involve unauthorized access or disclosure of data. Encryption secures data at rest, in transit, and in use. Robust authentication processes like two-factor authentication prevent unauthorized access. Regular security audits identify vulnerabilities. Penetration testing simulates attacks to test security strength. Data breach response plans minimize damage and prevent future breaches. Compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR is essential. Proactive measures and regular updates protect against data breaches. IoT devices present significant security challenges due to minimal security features. Compromised devices can launch DDoS attacks or serve as entry points into networks. Securing IoT devices requires strong security features and regular updates. Changing default passwords and updating firmware are crucial steps. Network segmentation limits the impact of compromised devices. Continuous monitoring detects anomalies indicating IoT-based attacks. Analyzing large volumes of data identifies patterns of cyber attacks. Implementing these strategies mitigates IoT security risks. Network security is complex and constantly evolving. Proactive and comprehensive security measures are necessary. A layered security approach includes technological solutions and continuous education. Firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems form the backbone of defenses. Regular training equips individuals to identify and prevent breaches. Regular updates and patches are crucial to staying ahead of attackers. Cybersecurity is a continuous process of improvement and adaptation. Vigilance, preparedness, and commitment to cybersecurity excellence are key.